Hi, my name is Tiara Bliss, and I'm going to show you the stuff that I made. I think I'm going to do good. See, all you gotta do is a basic, it's like a basic with your right foot, well, with your right foot, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, stomp, back up, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, here, clap, here, back up, 1, 2, 3, clap. All you gotta do it again, stomp. Well, do it again, stomp, y'all. So, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, 1, 2. Got it? Now, the other foot is basically the same thing, but the other foot. So it's like stomp, clap. Oh, stop, wait, sorry. A stomp right here. Stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, down, back. See, same thing. Same thing. We're gonna do it slower again. Stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap. 2, 3. Okay. So now I'm gonna do it a little bit easier, a little bit faster. So stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, stomp, stomp, hit. Then another one. Stomp, hit, stomp, hit, stomp, clap, stomp. Now pick up the pace. Every time I do it, I gotta pick up the pace. Okay. So this time do a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap, hit, stomp, clap. Sorry. Gotta do it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Supposed to do 1, 2 steps 4 times. Do it 4 times. This one once first, and this one second. Then the first one that I did again, and the other one I did again. So we're gonna do it 4 times. Now this how you do it faster 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. I'm gonna tip a little bit, but still keep on going. Doesn't matter if you mess up, still keep on going. This is my subscribe channel, and I am a stepper, and that's all you gotta know. And I'm also a dancer, so I'm gonna be posting up videos about me dancing and my step stuff and my rhythm stuff. So hopefully I get that shown too. Beep.